It was Lucas's birthday last Saturday. His friend's plan was to take him to the cinema and then for a pizza.
Where's Lucas? The film starts in 5 minutes.
Perhaps he's ill. He wasn't very well at school yesterday.
He was okay this morning. He isn't answering his phone. Come on, let's go in.
After the film,
That was awesome.
The actors were amazing. It's a shame about Lucas.
Wait a minute. There he is.
Happy birthday, Lucas. We were worried about you.
Sorry I'm late. There weren't any buses and my phone was out of battery.
So, is this your new bike?
Ha ha. No, it's my little sister's bike. My bike's got a flat tyre.
Never mind, Lucas. Let's go for a pizza now. Look, here's the pizzeria.
Oh no.